Would you like to meet yourself better and improve your lifestyle? Are you looking for an alternative way of physical exercise to rejuvenate you and give you longevity? What about deep relaxation through massage sessions? Do you like dancing and handcrafts? In this case, visiting my website would be a good idea. In this website, you can learn about the main differences between conventional and holistic therapy and the main differences between New Age and Christian teachings. You can also get some psychological questionnaires that will help you recognize your life targets, your strengths and your weaknesses. You can also be informed about some very useful alternative medicine methods like life coach, yoga, massage, art and nutritional therapy. I had the privilege to share the above methods with many people for more than 20 years and realize their benefits in many aspects of their life. I wish that my website will help you realize your real self and improve your lifestyle as well.